Yo, what is up, YouTube? Alright, so I just woke up. So once again, bear with me. Alright, so look, I'm gonna talk to y'all today about hair growth. I'm saying how to grow out your hair to any length, really. So you can do stuff to it. Have fun with your hair, you know what I'm saying? First, and to the growing hair process, what you need to do, wash your hair. Just wash your hair, but not every day, not so often. Like probably every once a week, every twice every 2 weeks. Hey, about this little thing called a hair growth now. Hair growth, that's a funny thing right there because it's just weird. Either it works for you or it don't. Because all hair is different. It's not going to grow the same. Some hair grows slower than others. Some hair grows faster than others. And that's something majority of y'all can't get through y'all heads. Just because someone posts a hair growth video doesn't mean it's 100% accurate going to work for you. We're just posting stuff that works for us. But anyways, let's get into the video. So, hair growth. You can take pills. You can drink stuff like home remedies, products in there. You can use those hair growth creams. I just used Echo Styling Gel, leave-in conditioner, shampoo, and conditioner. That's it. That's it. Y'all be making this rocket science. That's what I do. But there's plenty of ways to grow out your hair. You can take pills for it, like I said, drinks and home remedies. There's oils you can use, creams, shampoos. There's plenty of products out there that will help you grow your hair. This motherfucking big. You gotta find things that work for you. That's the challenge. You gotta go through all these products just to find out one or two or three or four or five or six or seven blah, 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 that works for you. So that's what y'all mission is. If y'all want your hair to grow like mine's, wait, hold up. Like mine's, find you a product that works. Because I'm trying to tell you, just listening to us talk about the products that work for us doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. But like I said, there's plenty of ways to grow your hair, so don't give up. Keep trying, and hopefully your hair just like a forest fire. It gets big. You know what I'm saying? Just out of nowhere, just. Well, this has been TJ TV. I hope you're liking my videos. Comment down below on more videos y'all want to see. Like this video. I mean it. Like the video because y'all been slipping. Y'all been slacking for real. Like, what? Start liking my videos. Share this video. You know, comment down below on this video. Start playing with me. How come I got 1K subscribers, but none of y'all are active? That's kind of messed up, bro. Anyway, this has been TJ TV, and I'm out.
Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button, never miss another video, be a part of TJ Squad, and be connected all around. Thank you.